Cassoulet and confit of duck were not only very popular dishes at the restaurant, it was a popular cooking class also. Now we give you a chance to do it in your own home. You'll get to bone your own duck, make that precious golden fat. You'll learn how to season and marinate your own confit. How we cook it, store it, and cook up those crispy legs and thighs. Then we'll use the rest of the duck to make all kinds of appetizers and salads. At the same time, we'll be making a cassoulet from start to finish. And there you have it, cassoulet and confit of duck, right in your own home. This is a combination cooking class and lunch because we'll be eating what we make.